Hi, now here is the big tip for next week's test on the question that's going to be on solubilities. Now I know you haven't had time to study solubility, which is why you're getting the big hint. These are equilibriums, which you have studied, and if the word says SP, that just means solubility product, which means it refers to a solid dissolving solubility product. There's two types of situation that you could get at this here. You can get a 1-to-1, like silver chloride, or you can get, when the 1 mole of the solid dissolves, you can get a 1 and a 2. Okay, so like the lead hydroxide example I've given you. Now I know if you haven't done the background, this won't make an awful lot of sense. It will when you've done the work, but you'll still be able to get the marks if you listen. Okay. So you get asked two questions. You either get asked to calculate the KSP or to calculate the solubility. If they tell you the solubility, they're effectively giving you X. X, it is in moles per litre. So if you get given the solubility, you can think of the calculation as being, this is going to be X, this is going to be X. So if you get given the solubility, which is X, X squared calculates the KSP. If you get given the solubility for a 1 to 2, it's a little harder. For each 1 mole per litre that disappears here, because of the stoichiometry, we're going to get 1 here, but 2 here. Now again, you don't have to follow this bit, you can blink out for 15 seconds and then come back. When we put this into the KSP, it's going to go X, that guy is 2X, the hydroxides, but the whole term needs to be squared, which is X, 2X, 2 squared, sorry, is 4, X squared equals 4X cubed. Okay, if you didn't like that, just remember this. If it's a 1 to 2, the solubility product, KSP, equals 4X cubed. When they give you the solubility, it is still X. This is all you have to do to get the KSP. Vice versa, if you get given the KSP and you're asked to find the solubility, just undo it. And over here, if you get given the KSP and asked to find the solubility, undo it. So there is going to be a question on this in the test on Wednesday. All you need to know, if it's 1-to-1, KSP equals the solubility squared. If it's 1 to 2, KSP equals 4 times the solubility cubed. Good luck.